Vest ba? Okay, 2 points mo, 1 point may 3 ra kutob ha. Sige, Chunano. Pag-shoot natin ito, Chunano.
Nope.
Sige, go!
Baby daw.
Ay ka pa. Ano ang tawag sa malaking bubuyog?
Malaking bubuyog.
Jollibee.
Okay, hello mga Ka-Datu. So today's video, mag-car riding challenge. Okay, ang tawag ani nga game is guess word. Okay, guess word. So, ang among auntie na dato mo ni siya ang question sa among duha ka kauban diri karon na mga lalaki. Mo din ni ang among dato nga ang call city to Willie. O mo po din siyang inyong silingan nga daughter si Aljon. Okay, go. Sige, first question te.
Ano ang tawag sa maliit na bubuyog?
Maliit na bubuyog.
Ito na bubuyog ito.
Nakatugon pa man ito.
Little B.
Ha?
Little B daw. Little B.
Maliit na bubuyog? Sige, dapat ika-3 lang mo ha. Dapat 3 times lang mo. Mo guess. So, kung dili mo maka-guess, 1 point me.
Tutubi.
Nope. Okay, isa pa.
Sa padat ito.
Ano ang tawag sa maliit na bubuyog?
Bumblebee.
Bumblebee.
No. The answer is baby.
Na, ginoo ko. Ah! Hello mga Ka-Datu. So today, mag-games ta, pangutano na nato ang akong auntie nga dato kung unsa ang Tagalog o English. So mag-ingon ko sa iya Bisaya unya i-convert niya into Tagalog. Tapos i-convert niya English. Unya ikaw po tipaw tanong kukunin mo. O Bisaya niya i-convert na ko Tagalog o English. Okay, sige, tanaw na to. Mga Ka-Datu, okay, go. Lakaw.
Lakaw means to go?
To go sa English, sa Tagalog.
Paalis?
Pwede ba? Alis, di? Alis. Lakad? Lakad.
Lakad?
Lakad, Bisaya mo na. Maglakad na ako.
Uy, Tagalog pa na.
Mag-alis na ako.
May lakad ako.
Ha?
May lakad.
May lakad ako.
Paalis man, sabi niya. So,
Alis. Alis ang root word.
Lakaw.
Okay. Ha?
hawa.
Hawa.
Alis.
Layas. Layas sa nanay nga kuan. Initon o bolo. Okay.
Tatay makat ang gwapo kay kina.
Sige.
Kuan na lang.
Maulaw pa siya, guys. First time pa man ko naman yung vlogging, guys. So,
Hindi ka na. Kuan pa. Katagaling.
baby.
Baby daw.
Ay ka pa. Ano ang tawag sa malaking bubuyog?
Malaking bubuyog.
Jollibee.
Oh! 1 point!
Point si Mr. Willie.
Sige. Sige, 1 point mo. 1 point po miha ka. Wa mo nakatuwa ganina. Okay.
Ano ang tawag sa maliit na tsunami?
Ano ang tawag? Na, chirok.
Ay! Kadugay! Manubag!
Ha?
Ano? Tsunami.
Tsunano!
Pag-shoot natin ito. Sige, go!
Goal!
Sige! Saman, 3.
Tsunami lagi na.
Tsunami, tama.
Tsunano! Tama!
Wala ko yung gitubag na niya kanina. Oh, next.
Next,
Both 1 point.
anong tawag sa pari na malungkot?
Oh, gingon na natin Leia ganina ha?
Priest.
Deep freeze.
Naminaw din siya. Sige.
Namino.
Okay, 2 points mo. 1 point may 3 ra kutob ha. Sige, go. Serious kayo sila, guys. Okay, mga Ka-Datu. Question.
Ano ang tawag sa pusa na napusa? Iring.
Char lang, oy.
Ano ang tawag sa isda na marunong bumaril?
Kana, bantay lagi.
Isda na marunong bumaril.
Oh my gosh. Come on, tita. Natulog. Ano ang tawag sa isda na namamaril?
Marunong bumaril. I don't know.
Oh, tito. Sirit ha, kung dili.
Sirit to.
Sirit. Pango!
Okay, so mga Ka-Datu, natakaroon din hiya sa isa sa pinakadako nga grocery store. Then hiya sa Raleigh, North Carolina. It's an hour and a half away from us. So ginadagsa jud ni siya mga Ka-Datu, no. Daghan pod kayong mga tao na biyahe para lang mag-grocery din because they have a very cheap and affordable prices mga Ka-Datu. So that's why we are here kay mga unmi og Taho.
Nagipon! Okay, so follow magpalit niyo og Taho, okay? Hello mga Ka-Datu! So today's video makikita nyo po na maraming mga Chinese restaurant dito sa Grand Asia. O diba bongga? Sana oil Okay, so namili na po tayo ng manlibre ang akong auntie. So mamili na po tayo ng mga orderan. There you go. So ito po yung China grocery store. Actually, Asian siya guys. Asian grocery store. Okay? So, nandito po kami nami karon dere para mukaon og malami ay na nga taho. O, diba? So, taho po has a lot of protein. So, perfect siya para sa buhay mo at para tumaas pa ang iyong cholesterol. Charot! Chariyas! So, actually, dili jud siya sa kanang for cholesterol, guys. This is really good because it can help you to be healthier. Makapayat. Yummy.
Kaya siya salty. Salty and spicy.
So, sa tanang gusto mo ka og taher.
Alright, so nagsakay nami. Going na naman kami sa next destination natin. Diba? So, papunta po tayo ng Best Buy. So, okay, so as you guys can see, dito po tayo ngayon sa Cary, North Carolina. Awesome, ako po yan. Nag-video para ga-heart. Okay, so makita ninyo guys na adunay mga trapiko sa Dalang Boulevard. O, di ba? So guys, once again guys, paggabi na po, pupunta po kami sa Best Buy to buy some camera. Okay? So guys again, i-like, subscribe ninyo ang aking YouTube channel. This is my very first video and I'm doing this all for all of you guys.
Hello mga Ka-Datu. So tugnaw kayo diri mga Ka-Datu nata sa Best Buy. When you buy the Best Buy. Okay. So manunod ta mga Ka-Datu. So first time na ako ni mag-vlog. So supportive kayo ang akong husband. Okay. So supportive kayo kong houseborn. Palit siya o camera. Social kay dito. Let it go. Okay, so mo ni ang Best Buy. Mangita tag camera mga Ka-Datu. So mga Ka-Datu, siya ang maglibre karon sa ato. Oh, sige te. Mga Ka-Datu, mangita taog camera kay mag-serious na daw mi sa mong vlogging. Mag-try mig vlog mga Ka-Datu. So ang Best Buy mga Ka-Datu, ano siya ang lugar kung asa nagapalit sila og mga equipments.
What's that?
Best Buy.
Okay, so mga kadato, dinhi sa Best Buy, dili lang sila nagabaligya og mga electronics, kundi dili nagabaligya pod sila og mga appliances, pariyaani. Mga kadato, like nagabaligya sila og refrigerator, nagbebenta din sila ng mga vacuum, ng mga gas range, everything na kailangan mo sa bahay. So, Best Buy is such a very big business mga kadato diri sa America that caters a lot of household things nga kinahanglan nimo. So, ano pang hinantay niyo mga kadato? Check the nearest rich neighborhood sa inyong mga area mga kadato because they have more products to show.
Ako, suspect.
Nari, kabaluan ako.
Okay. Nanato sa may puhunan. So guys, mag-podcast na ni siya. This is our friend, sir. Recording.
Mo to yung DJI nila na mga
Ay, brand ay ang DJI.
drones. Yeah, we'll get something like this pag ulit nato Philippines. See? Napot sila mga GoPro style. Mo man yata yung camera.
Mga tanonat.
Tanawa na to yung mga ano. Pag i-search niyo mo. Itong i-search niyo mo ba mga utang?
Mo lagi na DJI. Lo so solo on uwi.
Yeah, I got a question.
Yep.
Are those the only DJI cameras you guys have?
Oh, for the action cameras?
For the action cameras?
The Osmo Action 5. We got the Action 4.
Mo ni ang ilang pinaka-fancy nga. So mga kadato, mo nilang pinaka-fancy nga Best Buy din na area. So, nag-iisip ako, gusto po palit og camera mga kadato. Kaya lang, nag-iisip ako kung unsang klaseng camera. Ako ang paliton. Kaya mag-serious na sa mong vlog, try ra na mo ha, mag-share sa inyo ako sa mong vlog. Oh.
40 megapixel. It's 60 feet on the wall. Yep.
So this one?
So it's Action 4, Action 5 is the latest one, right? They're both in 4K. One is $399, I think, and the other one is $299.
What's the one that has a stick, sir?
No, this one has the stick.
Oh, no, they don't come with it. Let me see if we sell a bundle that comes with
No, my.
Oh, there's a bundle that I see.
You go. Does the GoPro one work on this one? We have the GoPro bundle.
Oh, there's a GoPro one. Let me see if these have like a little. Yeah, it does. This has got the same pull-out feet.
Yeah, that's
The
what I'm
holder?
wondering. No, remember I have all the stuff for the GoPro.
Okay.
We can use that one, or just if you have this something on with that.
Oh, GoPro.
Here as well.
Can we try? What's the one that follows you? This one.
Oh yeah, the Pocket 3. Yeah, that's that one.
This one is better, right?
It's like it on the gimbal. It's pretty nice.
Yeah, I want this because this is the one that follows, right?
Is that the one that comes with it? No, that's different.
That's a different one. That's the Pocket 3.
This is the Pocket 3. It's
Can we see the
$669.
Pocket 3?
Yeah, so it'll be in the box. But I can pull the box out so you can look.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, mo ni ang mga kuyaw sa drone, uy. Dili makay mahal, dear, oh. $790.
Yeah, we'll buy a drone maybe when I get promoted this summer. That's gonna be a gift to myself.
Kani, oh, ha?
Yeah.
So, lahi po ni.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it comes with a camera.
That's got active track. That's what will like follow you. This picture right there. If recording something, track it so it just follows that.
You don't have to move it and just
But if you do move it, it's stabilized. So if it's
stabilize it. Okay, okay.
Alright.
I guess this is the one we both like to have it here for a MacBook.
What is
So
that?
that you could
Oh, the SD card adapter?
have SD card adapters.
Yeah, so we got this.
So guys, magpalitan na ko niya. O diba? Kailangan maging mabait po tayo sa mga asawa natin para mapalitan ta, para mabilhan po tayo ng mga melon shake na mga kagamitan. Kaya kung mali ka guys, legit ka palitan guys. So kailangan maging mabait lagi, diba?
And then
So magpalit big SD card.
the more storage you have, of course, the more video footage that you can hold in there. 128 to 36512, or even up to a terabyte, whatever you see fit for yourself.
What do you think?
What's better?
Really, it's just about the amount of storage you want.
There's a discount, oh.
Yeah, they're all on sale at the moment.
Is this good enough or
No.
Oh, well, just this.
I would say that one.
just $10?
Yeah.
Yeah, because if you're recording in 4K, it's gonna take a month.
Tigi sila guys. Hindi ba pa bright tayo sila doon.
How many photos and videos? Oh, right here, babe. Look. How many photos and videos based off the capacity? So 256, you'll do 224 minutes. 6, 12, 18, 24. That's close to 4 hours. That's close to 4 hours. Or 1 terabyte.
How much is 1 terabyte, sir?
It's 139.
139.
But if you're recording in 1080p, that requires like data. So you can record way more than 224 minutes if it's in 1080p.
That is true. Current recommendations for online for like
Yes, because
Yeah.
we'll try to do the vlogging, sir.
YouTube and streaming and
Yes,
stuff like that. Yeah,
yes.
you want the best res as you can get it. So I would do
Yeah.
4K.
So let's just get the 1 terabyte
Okay,
because you're using it for your business anyways.
right. Okay.
Cool. All right. And,
Thank you, sir.
Of course, is that all for you guys?
Yeah, that's it. Yes.
All right. Y'all look for anything else? Yeah, we're probably around.
Yeah.
All right. You just gonna put it over there. I'll be back here. I'll be back here. Yeah.
So guys, muna yung pangarap ni Aljun, guys.
Kanya muna siya motion.
Yours.
Follow.
Bagong camera.
I-connect mo mo phone. Yeah. Kani siya kung ano. You okay, no?
So 669 tapos palitan nimo og SD card. 7, 8, mga 9.
Mura ni siya yung GoPro kanang underwater. Yeah. So naman mi ani ka, naman mi GoPro.
Yes, pero kaniyang pangarap, guys.
Kusog ang DJI ba tungod silang drone system. Wala man yung DJI sa una.
Oh, naman ganito 199.
Yeah.
Magkuha
kaya
naman
mga,
ka, dito na lang ka sa kuan.
Akala na lang uy kay para kuyaw.
Wa pa man po yung portable kanang pang ano lang nimo kanang motion nimo kanang nag-bite gani ka.
Oh, sige, unsa may masulti nimo tito?
I wanna get this one
Ha?
para sa bukid. I wanna get this one para sa bukid ba.
Gani.
Tuhon. Para sa bukid.
Pero ngayon ba, pati sunglasses ba na AI?
Naa ganit eh. So guys, ipakita daw niya ang sunglasses nga naanay video. Morning baguti nga pwede na nimo i-record imong kasturya. So tanawa guys. So na siya camera. So mavulabog jud imong kasturya. So mo ni guys.
I like this.
Pero tinuod dito kay akong friend na
So
camera.
mga Ka-Datu,
Ang among
mauni
friend
karon ang mga latest
mga
camera na
Ka-Datu,
ginagamit sa mga
muna
vlogger.
mga camera
So
sa
dili day basta-basta no, it's quite expensive.
ang mga
Pud di ay ang maging
friend
vlogger.
ako,
So kudos sa
ano
tanan
pa
natong mga
friend
vlogger
mo,
din ha. This is my very
Kasi
first
ano,
vlog as in VLOG
Marecord
ang
siya,
mga Ka-Datu. And you know, it's not
Okay,
really
so
easy,
maglakaw-lakaw sa
but
aming
it's
mga
very
Ka-Datu.
beautiful because you know, you are showing a lot of things and also it's very entertaining also.
Pero
Or,
saan to? 3?
I'm not sure. I think it was Hero 8.
Nami
Pero,
GoPro Hero 8.
Paspas kay mga
Pero paspas kay malobat.
Sa ano,
So dili ni
lobat.
ganahan
It's not
kay
good.
pagamito nimo mo init dayon siya tapos di na nimo magamit. So pero I think like this is really good. This is not good sa GoPro. So dirita guys. So okay guys. So palito na nato ni karon regalo sa akong husband or mga Ka-Datu for Christmas, di ba?
ano? Or gross domestic product or sweldo.
So dinhi na area
Taas og sweldo mga tao. They're in between I think 150 to 200.
mo nang ang mga kamera dire mga kuyaw. Mo na ang camera diri guys, mga kuyaw, because ang mga nagkuyaw diri mostly.
Technology. Usually we'll see more sa mga stores diri because people can afford it more. So they'll have more on display.
Gwapo kayo ang ilang mga display diri guys. Anyhow, so later on we will check kung pila ang iyang mabayran no. So siya nga tong sponsor for tonight's video.
Christmas gift.
Christmas gift niya. Kay mag-vlogger na niya.
Kaya ano karon pa man ay ang Christmas gift.
Yes.
Kaya ano man?
Kay gusto man ko
Or what?
og jewelry guys.
Yeah,
But then
why do you want to buy this instead of jewelry?
I come to realize nga we will share our life diri sa America since naapa man mi diri. And since we will be living here for 3 or 5 more years,
Before I retire.
before he retires, so we make sure na i-share na mo ang among life o ang among memories diri sa YouTube, and you guys will be with us. So thumbs up, so magbayad na mi. Kaya nisiga ng mata sa iyahang ka-storyer.
That's it.
Okay, so mo ni karon diri guys, makita ninyo ana. Guys, so sorry kayo ha kay first time vlogger, di ba? So dili pa kayo ko hawod mag gunit sa camera kay kurog pa ang ako ang mga kamert. So guys, mo din ni akong isa pud sa gusto na i-purchase. This is a coffee maker. Sa tanang wala na kaila sa ako. Mahilig po ako sa coffee. So I love to do coffee every morning kay para makaintindi po ako ng makaintindi po ako makaintindi po ako ng English, di ba? So mo ni ang isa sa mga coffee maker dere sa coffee lovers.
Ang gwapo ato because it already has its stand. Stand ka no. Ganito lang to nimo microphone. Duha man to ka microphone. So whoever you're talking to, you can give them a microphone.
Interview.
Yeah, so
Gwapo kayo po to. So guys, magbayad na siya. Ayan.
The mic.
I'm getting a warranty for both of them for 2 years. Just in case something happens.
What do you think, sir?
I definitely recommend it for cameras.
Really?
Yeah, that's your baby. I wouldn't buy any of my cameras without a warranty because if you drop it and break it, that's $2,000 you gotta reinvest into another one, you know? Whereas if this is broken, it fully reimburses you to $700.
For how long? 2 years? Okay.
And I guess same goes for these. If the audio starts picking up or something happens to it and it has a weird pickup, we can do reimburse for that. So you just have to swipe the cards to activate the member on your account.
Guys, kamahal na ba? Uy, naabot na 100,000 ang amo ang gibayran na guys. Merisi. Giver. So guys, once again, i-follow na ninyo ang among YouTube page. It's gonna be me and my husband, pero sa karon ako lang sa ang na YouTube guys. Follow, like, and subscribe. So thank you so much sa akong sponsor, my dear husband. Regalo ni niya guys for the Christmas. I bought him laptop, Apple, and then karon iya akong palitan og camera kay mag-share mi sa inyo of again our life here diri sa America. Yee! Mongga.
That's what I'm ready.
This card? This is my card right here. If you scan this with your QR code, it'll take you to my website so you can see my stuff.
We saw a couple photographers for our business, for our events once in a while.
Okay, yeah.
So it's your part-time, sir?
Yeah, so, I work here full time just because I was doing freelance for a bit and I was like, I didn't like having to take jobs to get paid to earn a living. It just kind of a little draining. So I picked up this and I still shoot.
So at least you have like,
some
sideline.
income coming in. Exactly.
That's smart, sir. That's what they said. If you want to be a business owner, don't leave your full-time job because that's the one that has a really, stable
It's
income.
consistent. Yeah.
Right.
It's stable.
Right.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
As I get better, just like involved in like the community of photography.
Yeah.
If it takes off to where I would want to do it, and I find that kind of niche, so I don't mind getting paid. Like some people.
How about
find
YouTube, sir?
photography.
Have you tried?
Yeah, I haven't been as consistent as I wanted to be, just because I like photos more than videos.
Right.
But if I start recording my shoots, which I do BTS now, I'm uploading more on TikTok.
Absolutely.
If that takes off, well, you only have to hit 10K on TikTok to get like monetized. YouTube, I'm not sure how much, but
For YouTube, I believe you need to have 1,000 subscribers.
1,000.
Yes.
And how many hours that they have to be watching?
4,000.
40,000. I think.
4,000.
4,000?
I'm not
Yeah, I
sure.
think it was 40,000 hours.
Yes.
That's a lot of hours.
You know,
That means you gotta put a lot of videos in there.
exactly.
But you know what's good about it is that we're Filipinos, sir. So our target niche are like the Filipino American, the Filipinos, and American. So yes, so
And so
that's
you already got your audience that you're reaching, so you
Right.
got a good bit of engagement that you can really relate to.
right.
Yeah.
So what happened is that I used to have a lot of followers, sir,
Yes.
and then my Facebook was deactivated. So somebody.
Yeah, she had like
Yes.
what, 12K followers?
Yes, I have 12K followers and I have 5,000 friends. But it ended up, So I was like, you know
still
what?
trying to retrieve it.
Trying to build that back
Yeah.
up.
So yes, because it's
Consistency will
really
get it
good.
there, but it'll take time. But the more active you are, the faster it will
Yeah.
happen, for sure.
So that's what we're planning, sir. So
Okay, nice.
that's why the camera is so expensive.
Do anything.
That's why the camera, guys, is so expensive. But it's an investment. He's right.
Investment.
Right? It's an investment, guys. So
What jewelry she wanted, and I promised her a certain amount, but instead she wanted this now because she wants to do vlogging. We'll see how long that is.
okay, sige.
So this
So unsa pa yung
This is a
gipalit?
DJI Osmo Pocket 3,
Unsa pa?
the DJI Mic 2
Okay.
to enhance sound, and then of course the other accessories to make sure that we have memory and capacity.
Okay, so pila ang imuhang nabayran tanan?
I think it's close to $1,700.
Yes, so to everyone who wants to start vlogging, what can you tell them? Unsay mong
Just
maingon?
start. Like everybody says, right? Just start. So we're just starting as well. So just start. If you have the funds to spend on some, expensive accessories, why not do it? Okay, do it. Take the risk. If not, just use your phone for now.
Yes.
So for us, we're gonna buy this because Kitty's gonna use it in her business anyway, since she runs brow cream microblading, and then plus vlogging now. So
It's a good investment.
the return of investment is pretty good. Knowing our business also makes a lot of money. So
Yes.
we'll see.
So, for everyone, guys, sa tanang mga gusto mag-vlogger, so invest in a good camera, no? Okay naman yung iPhone na camera, but if there's better for YouTube quality, guys, so why not, right? Okay, so follow us with mga Ka-Datu_Pinay and subscribe us. And he'll gonna make his own YouTube too, pero sa karon wala pa. So, yep. Okay. Thank you for watching.
Bye.